This is YouTube worthy here. Maybe. Only thing is I don't have zoom on this thing when I'm doing video. I want it. Think we could fit this in the trunk of your car?
Yeah. Fucking good backseat.
What do you think is going through that guy's mind?
I don't know what it is, but it's neat looking. 4-wheel drive, I would assume. Oh, massey-harris, 1931, general purpose. Did you post it?
Yeah.
Huh, I haven't seen it yet.
Or my bye-bye Japanese bunker.
No, I'm gonna have to check and make sure I'm still subscribed, because I lost a couple subscribers, and a couple people I was subscribed to just disappeared, and I had to go back and get them back and resubscribe and all that.
Which one were you subscribed to?
Oh, you have 2 YouTube accounts?
I made a new one. Didn't like my own name.
Oh, I didn't know you had a new one.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I haven't found it then. What's your new one?
Big C4 like everything else.
Oh, okay. And now all YouTube will know it too, because I'm still recording. And just for the heck of it, I'll put a link to it.
Hi guys, I'm Jimmy.
So if you get a bunch of subscribers for no reason, that's why.
Almost 50 views on that 13-year-old beer bong.
Old International. Oh, 100.
Funny thing is, nobody went through it from Facebook.
Well, yeah, shit, can't even talk. A lot of people are addicted to YouTube like I am. Believe it or not.
What's funny in the insight thing, what people actually search for, most of it has been 13-year-old beer bong.
That makes you wonder what kind of people are out there, doesn't it? Well, most of the people I'm subscribed to, and a lot of them have subscribed back, are all...
No, you just have to pay me for it.
I don't think so. I'm not getting paid for it, so why should you be?
Bitch, if I'm modeling in your videos, I better be getting paid.
Huh. Well, that's definitely a YouTube moment.
It doesn't say whose grandkid you had to be, so... If I wouldn't known you were making videos, I would have brought my camera.
Well, for future reference, anytime I want to go to anything like this is coming.
I got a fancy $1,000 full HD.
I might have to borrow it for a couple things if I decide to do anything important.
Touch screen, LCD. Quite nice.
I bet.
It's got a 10x zoom on it. Or
A real zoom or digital zoom?
10x optical.
Wow. I don't have any zoom when I'm doing video.
Up to 400.
I hope it's turning out. I can't see the screen for the sun.
Yeah.
Wow, that's neat. Duals on the rear. Oh, duals all the way around. Did you see that thing in the snow? Especially that snow we had last year, this past winter.
Yeah.
Wouldn't needed a taller blade though.
Just a little.
Wouldn't have any trouble getting through it, I don't think. How's the steering set up?
What?
Trying to figure out how the steering is set up.
It goes.
Oh, I see. It's hydraulic.
Boom, boom.
I see. I see. Well, it's not hydraulic. Yeah, it is hydraulic. I see the hoses. It's definitely interesting.